Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in the Arabic lesson today, we are still going to continue with the status. So we said that we've already done in the ism the first property status. We're doing the first property, that is the status, and we said that there are ending sounds by which we can tell the status, and by ending combinations. And then we did the Muslim chart, masculine and the feminine one. Now the today's topic is light versus heavy status. So a word like an ism, it can be heavy or light. Muslimun, which is the first Muslim chart that we the Muslim chart that we have done, Muslimun is heavy. This word is heavy, like with the tanween. Normally, a word is heavy. So, under normal circumstances, a word is supposed to be heavy in Arabic. Under some special cases, the word is made light. So, Muslimun will become Muslimu. So, the extra n is going to be, extra noon is going to be like removed. Muslimun, n sound is going to be removed and it's going to become Muslimu. So this is the light form. So Muslimun is the heavy form of the status and Muslimu is the light. And in the later studies will find out that which are the reasons for which the word it becomes light. So if you see a word like in this form with the tanween, you know that it's a heavy word, and it's normal. But if we see the word like this, Muslimu, then this means that this is a light word and something happened, that's why it is light. So the extra n or noon is removed to make the word light. So let's just do this. So the Muslimun is going to become Muslimu, Musliman, Muslima, Muslimin, Muslimi, Muslimani. Now in Ma'ani, this extra noon is going to be removed, so it's going to become Muslima. Muslimaini is going to become Muslimai. Muslimaini is going to become Muslimai. So the noon is removed, so become Mai. So this is heavy, this is light. Then the third column, Muslimuna is going to become Muslimu, and Muslimina is going to become Muslimi, and then Muslimina, Muslimi. So then we come to the feminine chart. So Muslimatun, you guessed it right, it is going to become Muslimatu. Muslimatan is going to become Muslimata. Muslimatin is going to become Muslimati. Moving on to the dual, the two feminine. So Muslimatani is going to become Muslimata. Muslimataini is going to become Muslimatai. Muslimatun is going to become Muslimatu. Tun, un sound, noon sound is removed, so Muslimatu. Tu does not have an end sound in the end, right? So Muslimatun is going to become Muslimatu, and Muslimatin is going to become Muslimati. So normally an ism is heavy, as we said. For special cases they can be light. So this is one thing. Now there is another thing. If there is an al in the beginning of a word of an ism, then it becomes irrelevant to ask that is the word light or heavy. So if for example it is al muslimu, then if al is there, then we are not going to ask, like if the question is that is it light or heavy, we are going to say no, it's irrelevant, because there is a big fat al in the beginning. So there is no point in asking that is it light or heavy. It's irrelevant. So just look at this example. So alhamdu, if someone asks it, is it light, is it heavy, or is it irrelevant? So we're just going to say that it is irrelevant because there is this al in the beginning. Now if there is this word hamdu, then this, you see that is hamdu, there is no tanween, there is no un sound, so that means that this word is light. And then if there is hamdun, we are hearing the end sound in the end, so that means that this is a heavy word, and normally it's supposed to be like this. Under some special cases it's going to be like this, and if it is like this, then we need to ask that why is it like this, what happened to it. So this was today's lesson, the light versus heavy status. It's really easy. We just need to like see. Let's do the Muslim chart in the light way. So Muslimu, Muslima, Muslimi, Muslima, Muslimai, Muslimai, Muslimu, Muslimi, Muslimi, and then the feminine chart, Muslimatu, Muslimata, Muslimati, then Muslimata, Muslimatai, Muslimatai, Muslimatu, 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 Muslimati, Muslimati. I'm sorry for the confusion. So this was today's lesson. Inshallah, in the next video, we'll continue further. Fi aman Allah.